Hi, everybody. Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
This is my daughter, Lucci. She's going to be kind of helping us out because she saw that I was gathering objects for a found object sculpture, and she got really excited and wanted to participate. So we let her go in the garage and find a whole bunch of stuff. She built a box, and here's all her things. So one of the things that I want to kind of point out is that she started by just arranging all of her objects to see what she has. Why don't you want to tell them what you want to build or what your idea is?
So I'm planning on to build like a wind chime with bolts and these plastics and with some nuts too. And so I'm planning on to string it in wire to be able to make it dangle from like a high part. And so these are all my materials that I found from the garage.
Awesome. So one of the things I would like all of you to do today with your materials when you get it out is to just start arranging things. You can use tape. You can hold it with your hands. Trying to think about how you could form something from the materials that you have. Thinking about, balancing things if you have to. Remember, the art kind of element or principle I want you to work with is balance or visual movement or both. So think about how you can create balance by maybe attaching similar things to different sides of the object. So why don't you kind of figure out, why don't you play with your wire and see how do you think you might get this to dangle? What might you do?
Maybe I might want to use like this cork that I maybe be able to stick wire through one of these holes.
That's cool. You want to use this to kind of poke a hole in there?
Yeah.
Here, let's try to do that. We could probably get a better tool than this too, but see if you can stick that in there.
Yeah. Yep.
Did that work?
Yep.
Awesome. And then is this going to have a knot on the bottom, or are you going to open it up?
Yeah, I'm going to kind of cut it here so it's like going to be able to dangle here.
Okay.
From down.
And what are you going to put on the end of that wire?
At the end of the wire, I'm going to kind of string some of these and wrap it around some of these, and then on some other wires, I'm going to make kind of circles dangling around where these are going to be attached to.
Cool.
And I'm going to put some plastics, kind of going down like this.
So if you look, she's holding the plastic, kind of getting an idea of how all of this is going to fit together, which is exactly what I want you guys to do today. Maybe you tie things. So maybe you take some things and you make you tie some things on the ends. This isn't one of her ideas, but that's something that you can do. You can tie things together as well to kind of figure out how things are going to go. I'm going to work on an example, and she's going to work on hers for a little while, and then we'll take some process pictures and post them to the Google Hangout. For today, assemble, disassemble, and repeat, doing it over and over again, different ways, just to kind of see what you have to work with and be playful. I actually kind of even like what I did there. So be playful with what materials you have. Take pictures of each assembly that you have and then disassemble it. Post all of those pictures and we'll kind of give feedback to each other on what's working and what ideas we might want to go with from there. Thanks.